Hey, what's up, guys? This is Tremaine, your FX Chasers mentor. So, as you already know, in this video, we're going to be going over our ideal student. Now, this ideal student just isn't an ideal student, but it's also the type of person that you need to become if you're going to take this Forex path seriously. So, what my ideal student would look like is, first of all, my ideal student needs to have the passion and the hunger to want to learn how to trade. Learning how to trade really requires a whole new change of mindset. It requires a change of habits. It requires a change of routines. And if you have the hunger and the passion to want to be able to do this, you're going to be able to go through the sacrifices of becoming this new person. And take it from me, guys, it's not easy getting out of your old habits and your old routines to try and start something new. It is quite difficult. So, guys, the second point that I want to go over is that my ideal student is going to be someone that loves to learn new concepts and accepts the challenge of not knowing a particular subject. So, what I mean by this is that this forest is just so deep, and every time you find out, or every time you think you know something, you find out that there's something else that you had no idea existed. And guys, that fire and that drive to want to learn is gonna be what keeps you in the learning process for as long as you can be. And it's gonna be actually basically what keeps you from giving up and just throwing away the process and throwing away everything just because there's just so much theoretical knowledge to come across. And I guess maybe one of the most important things that my ideal student must have or must be able to do is time manage, because Forex is basically the way we look at the graph, we look at the graph according to price and time. So time is an important factor when it comes to Forex. You need to be able to first of all manage your time. You need to be able to observe and actually forecast your time, know exactly what you're looking for in the market, how long that's going to take, and when are you expecting your entry to present itself? Are you going to be free when your entry is presenting itself, or are you going to have a different engagement, like, for example, work or school or house chores or whatever the case is? You're going to need to be able to be the best time manager that you can be. You're going to have to adapt to the whole situation of understanding time, understanding that the markets move based on time, and that you have to fit yourself in and make sure you're always prepared when that next move does kind of present itself. So the final thing that I just want to speak about is that my ideal student needs to be humble in a sense. Immediately, I've noticed this with myself and as well as other people that have traded. Immediately, we feel like we know too much. We eventually start taking steps backwards because we get too complacent in what we feel like we know. And I guess just being humble and being able to center yourself, even if you're doing good, even if you're doing bad, I feel like that's such an important personality trait, and basically maybe one of even the fundamentals of a good student. Someone that can still keep a focused mind, whether they're going through a winning streak or whether they're going through a losing streak. Now, yes, guys, psychology is important, and that's basically what this last point kind of reiterates based on your psychology. And so, guys, I hope that you have taken these points to heart. I hope that you actually did some personal introspection to see whether or not these qualities are qualities that you have, or these qualities are qualities that you need to start cultivating for yourself. Now, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Definitely do share it to someone that you feel like will take value out of this video. This is your FX Chasers mentor, Tremaine, signing out.
Hello guys, how are you doing? This is Offensive Lowy, your mentor, trader and analyst at Forex Chasers. So we're back again with another video. So what I'm going to be talking about is that I'm going to be talking about my ideal student. So first of all, what's my ideal student? It's someone who actually goes an extra mile, someone who actually want to learn, and they don't mind be corrected because they want to learn. It's someone who actually puts in extra efforts, like sleeping late, going out there and actually searching for researches. So as you know, I'm a mentor, so I actually have one-on-one with students. So there are some students, like I'm gonna make an example of one of my students, someone who actually like really want to learn. And the sad part is it's someone older than me, but then they actually value my knowledge and actually want to learn. They're not saying that, okay, this guy is young, so I'm not gonna listen to him. So that guy actually respects everything. So that guy, what that guy do is that he makes sure that he follows everything I do. He makes sure that he has the pets that he wants to the master and see their nature. Like I told you guys that when you are a forex trader, you need to check where you excel. You can't trade all pairs. Like check the ones you actually excel in. Like if you are good at gold, check out gold. Check out gold. Give gold time, because there are some people who actually trade GJ only or Nasdaq only or USDT only. So get your pairs, and you're gonna be fine. So this guy, what this guy do is that before requesting for a one-on-one with me, they make sure that they write down all the questions they want to know. Like they don't just request a mentorship and get there and ask like some other questions. They actually know what they wanna know, and they go extra miles. Even on weekends, this guy can text me like, "Hey, I've been looking at the markets and I think I see this 1, 2, 3. So I'm gonna send you my analysis. Please check if I'm doing fine." They send the analysis. I check if they're doing fine, and if he does a mistake, I'm gonna tell him that, okay, rather put this here and not here because of 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And what they do that actually impresses me is that they actually write notes. They actually write notes because when they get a similar situation in the market, they actually know, oh, last time I got this kind of pattern or this kind of trend, so I should actually know what to do now. So you see, like this is someone who's actually willing to learn, because they actually work, but then they also have time to actually learn. This guy going extra mile. He should be resting on a weekend, but he's out here chasing what he wants. That's an ideal student for me, because of we can even Zoom at night. We talk, we look at charts. We have a Zoom meeting. I go to my charts and I show him exactly what I do, so he can actually get an idea and actually be able to grow as a student and actually become a mentor one day. Because of once you have that right knowledge, you can actually pass it on to actually people around you. You can actually be a leader. Before becoming a leader, you need to make sure that you have someone who's gonna guide you and show you the way, because you can't be a leader not knowing how to react to certain situations. So you see this guy, the way he's doing his thing, like I'm actually proud. Like when this guy texts me, I get so excited, like, okay, now he wants to know something and I'm willing to help. I do it willingly and genuinely. So that's an ideal student for me. So I hope you guys got the information, and I hope you actually like this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and click the notification button, because we're coming back with more videos revolving around these topics in the market. So thank you guys.